Student, welcome to the online classes of chemistry. So, yesterday we discussed about the variation of atomic size in the periodic table or variation of atomic radius in the periodic table along the period and down the group. So, there is a last one graphical representation was there. So, I will show the graphical representation. Look here students, when a graph is plotted, atomic radii against atomic number, it is atomic radius against atomic number. Look here students, if you go here down the group or along the period, so if you go along the period, first along the period, if you go along the period, so if you go along the period, first that is lithium comes, and here lithium has 152 atomic radius is 152. So, it is 152. So, therefore, how we can plot a graph? So, how we can plot a graph? Look here students, lithium is 152, here it is 3, 4, 5, 6, so 7, 8, 9, 10 like this. You may write that is up to any element. So, here first one that is lithium. So, I will write up to that is 160 here, and then 140, and then that is 120 like this, that is you may write according to the atomic radius. So, here first that is this lithium, atomic number is 3, here lithium Li, so its atomic radius is 152, it is 152, and the next one is beryllium. Next one is beryllium. So, the beryllium is 1, that is near about here beryllium is 111. So, 111 means it comes here. It is 4. So, beryllium 1111. So, it is 111 here, beryllium is 111. So, then after this boron, so boron 5, so that is here it comes at 88, I will write here this 100, and then it is 90, so here it is 88 boron, 88 beryllium, boron, that is boron is having atomic number 5, I will write here this 5 boron, and after boron carbon is there, and here we know that carbon is 77, so it comes very near here. So, 77 carbon 77, and after this nitrogen 7, and it is near about 74, and oxygen 66 8, and after that fluorine is 9, it is near about 64, it is 64, 66 like this. So, here the graph that is here, it shows that it indicates that the atomic radius goes on decreases as the atomic number increases along the period due to increase in the effective nuclear charge. Then what happens down the group? Down the group. Look here students, down the group when a graph is plotted, again same atomic radius against this atomic radius against this atomic number, so you will get here. So, it is down the group. Down the group means we are considering the first group, that is element lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and francium is a radioactive element. So, here it is, look here students, I will take here near about there from 50, it is 100, 150, 200, 250 like this, and here atomic number. So, down the group means lithium, it comes first lithium, and then sodium, that is 11 sodium, and then after sodium you will get this potassium, that is 39, 19, and then 37, and then 55 like this. Here it is atomic number and then atomic radius. So, students, here the first one is that is lithium 152 it is near about 152, and here it is lithium. Li, lithium, 152. And from lithium to, again it goes to sodium, 186, atomic number 11, 186 near here. That is the 186 near here. And after this, 186, it is potassium, 231. Potassium, 231. Lithium, sodium, potassium, and 231. And rubidium, 244. Rubidium, 244. It is rubidium, 244. And then it is 231. And it is 186. It is 152. And after rubidium, it is cesium, and here cesium is 262. So cesium like this. Here the atomic radius goes on, increases down the group, because the number of principal shell increases and the atomic size also increases. It is, student, it is the graphical representation. So then after this, let us see another new unit, that is called as ionic radius. Ionic radius. So look here, what is ionic radius? So ionic radius is the atomic radius we know, covalent radius we know. So atomic radius, the distance between the center of the nucleus and electron present in the outermost shell. Covalent radius, half of the distance between the covalently bonded atoms of element in the same molecule. And you know van der Waals radius, and you know metallic radius. And now what is ionic radius? Look here, students. Here for example, sodium. I will write here sodium. Sodium, it is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. And here I will write it is neutron, it is proton, and here electron, 2 electrons, and then 8 electrons, and then 1 electron. Look here, 281. Atomic number is 11. Atomic number is equal to 11. It is called as atom. And here center of the nucleus to this distance is called as atomic radius. It is called as atomic radius. Look here, students, it is called as atomic radius. And then what is ionic radius? Very simple. When this sodium loses 1 electron, this Na281, it loses 1 electron, Na plus electron, it becomes, it is ion. It becomes ion, sodium ion. And look here, that is neutron, proton is 11, because electrons are 11, protons are also 11. The number of protons is equal to number of electron. Proton is 11, and then 2 electrons, and then 8 electrons. Look here, 8 electrons, it is plus, because it loses 1 electron. Due to the loss of electron, it becomes Na plus. Remember, students, all the metals are having a tendency to lose electron, and non-metals are having a tendency to gain electron. ಎಲ್ಲ ಲೋಹಗಳು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನನ್ನು ಕಳೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳುವಂಥ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿಯಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಕಳೆದುಕೊಳ್ತಾವೆ, ಅಲೋಹಗಳು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಗೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತವೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಕಳ್ಕೊತದ್ದು ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಬಿಟ್ ಹೋತಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿರಿ, ಶೆಲ್ ಕೆ ಶೆಲ್ KLM, and here it is K and it is L. So it is called as a ion, Na plus ion. It has only 2 and 8 electrons. Then what is ionic radius? What is ionic radius? Atomic radius we know, but here 1 electron is removed. So the ionic radius is defined as, it is the distance between the nucleus of an ion. Look here, students, distance between the nucleus and the electron which is present in the outermost shell of an ion. So we have to use the word ion. So here it is defined as the distance between the nucleus and the outermost shell of an ion. Outermost shell of an ion, or the distance between the nucleus and the electron up to which the nucleus has its influence. The nucleus has its influence is called as ionic radius. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಯಾನಿಕ್ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಂಟ್ರದಿಂದ ಏನದಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಟ್ಟ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಫ್ಲುಯೆನ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ದ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ಫ್ಲುಯೆನ್ಸ್. ಅದ್ರ ಇನ್ಫ್ಲುಯೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮಟ್ಟ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಟ್ಟ ಇರೋದಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅಯಾನಿಕ್ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಸೊ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಅಟಾಮಿಕ್ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಯಾನಿಕ್ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್. Both are complicated to measure. Look here. It is defined as the distance. Look here. The distance between. It is defined as the distance between the nucleus and the electron has its influence, or otherwise you write and the outermost shell, nucleus and outermost shell in which the electron is present. The outermost shell, or shortcut you call it as outermost shell of an ion. Outermost shell of an ion in which the electron is present. You write this. Otherwise you may write another definition. And the outermost shell of an ion in which the electron is present, or you may write another definition. So the nucleus has its influence. ಅದು ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯಸ್ ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮಟ್ಟ ಪವರ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಟ್ಟ ಏನದಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅಯಾನಿಕ್ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದ nucleus. Look here, student. It is the distance between the nucleus and the point up to which the nucleus has its influence, and the point up to which, or the point where, the point up to which the nucleus has its influence. The nucleus has its influence on the electron cloud, So it is called as ionic radius. Then how the ions are formed? There are two types of ions. One is cation, another one is anion. And how the ions are formed? So ions are formed by the loss or gain of electrons, or ions are formed by the loss of one or more electrons, or by the gain of one or more electrons. ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಕಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೂ ಅಯಾನ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಪಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೂ ಅಯಾನ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೆನ್ಪಿಡ್ರಿ, ಅಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಡ್ by the loss of one or more electrons, or by the gain of one or more electrons. Look here, ions are formed by the loss of one or more electrons, or by the gain of one or more electrons. ಲಾಸ್ ಇಂದನೂ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಗೇನ್ನಿಂದನೂ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಹಂಗಾರೆ ಈ ಲಾಸ್ ಆದರೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಸೊ ಗೇನ್ ಆದರೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಲುಕ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ನಂಬರ್ 1, ಇಫ್ ಹಿಯರ್ 2 types of ions are there. Ions are formed by the loss of one or more electrons. If the ions or an atom loses electron, then it forms cation. If the atom gains electron, then it forms anion. Or you may write Look here, you may write directly. Cations are formed by the loss of one or more electrons from the neutral atom. From the neutral atom, removal of one or more electron. So, cations are formed by the loss of one or more electrons. By the loss of one or more electron, or by the removal of one or more electron from the neutral atom. From the neutral atom. I will write an example. Na. So, it loses one electron, Na plus. Look here students, it is called as cation. It is an atom, loses one electron. Or you may write, loses two electrons. Second example, Mg, it loses two electron, Mg2 plus. So look here, magnesium ion, two electrons. So by the loss of one or more electron from the neutral atom. So it is called as cation. It is called as atom. Then how anions are formed? Anions are formed by the gain of one or more electrons from the atom. From the atom. Look here students, atoms are formed. Anions are formed by the gain of one or more electrons from the atom. So here, or you may write neutral atom. So look here, Cl, it gains one electron, it is 287, here it is 281, so it gains electron, it becomes negative, so here it is 288. Look here students, anion is formed. So cations are positive ions and anions are negative ions. Cations positive means the ions which moves towards cathode. Cathode means negative. So negative cathode means negative. Where the ions moves means positive ions moves, cation. And here it is anion. So this is called as anion. Like this you may write any example. So these are called as ions. Then the main question comes here. The main question comes. So what is the effect of or variation of radius along the period and down the group? So let us see, that is, what about the radius here, whether it is more or less. I will show here. Look here students. Look here. So the question comes here. The ionic radius of cation is always less than the atom or neutral atom. Why? They ask the question like this. Number one, radius of cation, positive ion, less than the or less than its. So remember students here, the ionic radius of cation means positive ion is less than its atomic radius. Less than its atomic radius. Give reason. This is for 2 marks question. This is for a 2 marks question. I will write here an example. Look here. I will write sodium Na281. It is electronic configuration 281. And when this sodium loses an electron. So it is 2 8. Look here students carefully. So here its ionic radius, here it is the atomic radius is, its radius is 186 picometer. It is 186 picometer. So remember, it is 186 picometer. And what happens when it loses an electron and it forms a cation? It forms a cation. Cation is formed. It is an atom and it is a cation. Means this is cation. Na plus is a cation. Then here its radius becomes 95 picometer. Look here students, 186 picometer atomic radius, it is an atom, atomic radius, and when it forms ion, the ionic radius. So the question is that the ionic radius of cation is always less than that of atomic radius or atomic radius of an atom. So look here, it is 186 picometer, it is 95 picometer. So here, what is the reason? Very simple reason. Look here, I will write here, it is neutron, proton 11, 2 electrons, 8 electrons, it is 1 electron, 11. Is it clear? And now it loses an electron. So it is neutron, it is proton, 11 as it is 2, it is 8. Look here students, 1 electron is lost. And here what is the difference here? Here it has a 3 shells, K shell, L shell, M shell. Here it has only 2 shell. And how many protons are here? How many protons are here? The protons is equal to 11 and electron is also 11. 281, 281. So proton is also 11 and electron is also 11. P means proton, E means electron. And when it loses an electron, so proton remains as it is and the electron becomes 10. Look here students, proton is 11 and electron is removed. So here it is, the electron is 10. Then the number of proton is equal to number of electron. It is a neutral atom and the number of proton is not equal to the number of electron. Electrons are less and protons are more. Then what happens here? So look here, this cation is formed. Number one reason, first point, the cations are formed by the loss of one or more electron. The cations are formed by the loss of electrons. So when these are formed by the loss of electron or the electrons are removed from their valence shell. So remember students, because of the positive ion is formed by the loss of one or more electrons from the valence shell of an atom. Hence, here what happens? Hence the effective nuclear charge increases. Effective nuclear charge means positive charge increases. When the effective nuclear charge increases, number of protons are more and the positive charge increases, number of electrons are less, only number of electrons are 10, number of protons are 11, the positive charge is increases, the nuclear charge increases and here it decreases. And the electron cloud shrink and then here the radius becomes less. This is the reason. Is it clear? Look here once again. The cation is formed by the loss of electron from the valence shell of an atom. And when the electrons are lost, so the number of protons are more, number of electrons are less, so therefore the effective nuclear charge increases. Positive charge increases and the electron cloud shrinks and the atomic radius decreases. This is the reason you have to write here. So look here students. This is because we have to write the reason, because a positive ion is formed by the removal of, or you may write removal or loss, by the loss or by the removal, by the loss of one or more electrons from the valence shell. from the valence shell of an atom. So, valence shell of an atom. Hence, what increases here? Hence, the effective nuclear charge increases. Effective nuclear charge increases and the electron cloud shrinks. Electron cloud ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ shrink ಆಗಿಬಿಡ್ತದೆ. So, remember this is because a positive ion is formed by the loss of one or more electron from the valence shell of an atom. Hence, the effective nuclear charge increases and the electron cloud shrinks. The radius, the ionic radius is less than the atomic radius. Remember, the ionic radius is less than the atomic radius. This is the reason here. I have drawn a clear picture here. 186, 95. It is one shell, it has 3 shell, KLM, and here only it has 2 shell, and here the proton number increases and nuclear charge increases. Nuclear charge means the charge which is present in the nucleus means positive charge. The effective nuclear charge increases, the electron cloud shrinks, and the atomic size, the size of this or the radius decreases. So, then another one question, same question, the ionic radius of anion is more or greater than the atomic radius, give reason. Again same question students, look here. So, what happens here? So, you have to write here this reason. So, I will write here question. Second question, the ionic radius of anion, negative ion, is greater or more greater than its atomic radius, give reason. Look here students, you may write any example here, you may write any example here. So, here I will write one example. So, same I will write here, chlorine 287, it gains an electron and then it becomes Cl minus, it is 288. So, it is called as anion. It is called as anion. The ionic radius of anion is greater than its atomic radius, give reason. Look here students, I will write here. So, for chlorine we know that it is 99 picometer. It is chlorine, it is 99 picometer, and here its ion, that is anion, its radius becomes 181 picometer. Look the difference here, 99 picometer, it is 181 picometer, near to its double. So, why? Give reason. Very simple, we have to write in the reverse manner. So, anions, look here, anions are formed by the gain of one or more electrons. Anions are formed by the gain of one or more electrons, and here the effective nuclear charge decreases and the electron cloud expands. ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಗಳು ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಗಳು ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗ್ತವೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಏನದಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರೋಟಾನ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೋಟಾನ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಕ್ಲೌಡ್ ಏನದಲ್ಲ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪಾಂಡ್ ಹಾಕೋತ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಎಷ್ಟದು 287 ಇದ್ದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ 288 ಆದು. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಟ್ ಗೋಸ್ ಆನ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸಸ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಹಾಕೋತ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ 287 and here it is 288. So one electron is more, ಒಂದು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಬರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ? ಸೊ ಗಿವ್ ರೀಸನ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬರಿತೀವಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್. ಸೊ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್, ಸೊ ದ ಕ್ಯಾಟಯನ್ anion is formed by the gain of an electron, by the gain of an electron. So negative, or you may write negative ions are formed or anions are formed by the gain of one or more electrons to the valence shell. Hence the effective nuclear charge on the electron cloud decreases. Effective nuclear charge decreases, and then the electron cloud expands. Electron cloud expands. Look here. This is because an anion or negative ion is formed by the gain of one or more electron. Look here students. So these are formed by the gain of one or more electron. ಒಂದು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ತೊಗೋಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗಾದರೂ ತೊಗೋಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ಎಡಿಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಒನ್ ಆರ್ ಮೋರ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್. ಎಡಿಷನ್ ಅನ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಗೇನ್ ಅನ್ಬೋದು. ಗೇನ್ ಆಫ್ ಒನ್ ಆರ್ ಮೋರ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಟು ದ ವ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೆಲ್. ದೆನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್? ವ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೆಲ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಸೊ ಪ್ರೋಟಾನ್ಗಳ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾದವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ? 10, 18 ಆದವು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 17 ಆದವು. ಸೊ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೋರ್, ಪ್ರೋಟಾನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಲೆಸ್. ಏನಾಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಹೆನ್ಸ್ ದ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ decreases. Effective nuclear charge on the electron decreases. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ ದ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸಸ್ ಅನ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸಸ್ ಅನ್ಬೋದು. ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆತಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಕ್ಲೌಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪಾಂಡ್ಸ್. So here I have drawn the diagram also. So I have given the reason for this. It is for 2 marks. It is for 2 marks. So here you in examination you write this much only, don't draw the diagram, and you write this much only, don't draw the diagram. ಚಿತ್ರ ಏನದಲ್ಲಿ ತೆಗಿಯೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಚಿತ್ರ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ತಿಳಿಲಿ ಅಂತ ತೆಗೆದೀನಿ ನಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ತಿಳಿಯಿತು. ಪುಸ್ತಕದಾಗ ಚಿತ್ರಗಳು ಇರೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ತಿಳಿಯಿತು. ಆದರೆ ಏನದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ತಿಳಿಲಿ ಅಂತ ತೆಗೆದೀನಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೇನದಲ್ಲ ಇವು ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಬರೆಯೋದು ಸಾಕು. ಇದಷ್ಟೇ ಬರೆಯೋ, ಉಳಿಕೆದು ಯಾವ ಬರೆಯೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ionic radius in cation and anion. So how the cations are formed and how the anions are formed. I have given detailed picture of this. Look here students. Then coming to another unit that is called as isoelectronic species. Iso means same, electron, same electron, species, atoms or any that is ions. So it is here isoelectronic species means which are formed that is ions, cation or anion. Isoelectronic species or ions. So then what are isoelectronic species or ions? So isoelectronic species or ions are those which are having the same number of isoelectron, same number of electrons but different number of protons. Remember students. Isoelectronic species are those which are having same number of but different number of protons. Look here students, here it is having same number of protons, same number of electrons and a different number of protons in the nucleus, in the nucleus, in the nucleus. So then how to write the example here? I will show here. So I will write examples here. So isoelectronic ion species. So I will write first ion, first column. I will write here. Look here students, I will write ion, ion, and after this I will write number of electrons, and I will write number of protons. Number of protons means it is nuclear charge, charge on the nucleus. Remember, number of protons means charge on the nucleus. Then ionic radius. Ionic radius. Look here. Look here. So I will write first ion, that is N minus 3, nitrogen, nitride ion, and then I will write O2 minus, or you may write 3 minus or minus 3 minus 2 or 3 minus 2 minus, like this. And then fluorine F minus 1, and then I will write sodium Na plus, then I will write Mg2 plus, then I will write Al3 plus. Look here students, these are the ions. And number of electrons, how do you calculate the number of electrons? Look here, 1 minute, look here, nitrogen I will write 1s2, 2s2, 2p3, atomic number is 7, atomic number is 7, 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. Look here, here it is minus 3, minus 3 means students, remember, if it is minus 1, you have to add 1 electron. If it is minus 2, add 2 electron. Minus 3 means add 3 electron. So here its atomic number is 7, and you have to add 3 electron, then it becomes 10. Look here, 1s2, 2s2, 2p3, it is 7. And you have to write n minus 3. N minus 1 means 8, n minus 2 means 9, n minus 3 means it is 10. So number of electrons is 10. And then next one, oxygen, O, 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. It is near about, that is 8 electrons are there. And it is minus 2. Minus 2 means add 2 electron. Add 2 electron means 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. And you write here 10 electrons. And fluoride, F, 1s2, 2s2, 2p5. It is 9, and F minus means 1 electron, it is 10. F minus is equal to 10 and F is equal to only 9, and O, it is O minus 2 means it is 10. Look here, again it is 10. Then Na, I will write Na. Look here, Na, sodium 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1, it is 11. So write Na plus 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 1 electron is removed. means number of electron is 10. Then Mg2, Mg is equal to 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2. You have to remove plus 2, 2 electron. Plus means removal of electron. Minus means addition of electron. So 2 electrons are removed. Then it becomes 10. And similarly, Al is equal to 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p1. Remove 3 electrons. Remove 3 electrons. Then it becomes Al3 plus. And it is 10, it is 10. So what are these? These are called as isoelectronic species or ions. Isoelectronic species, the number of electrons are same. The number of electrons are same. Look here students, all the number of electrons are same, but the number of protons are different. How many number of protons are there in nitrogen? Nitrogen atomic number is 7. Atomic number 7 means number of protons is equal to 7. Number oxygen, number of protons, atomic number 8. 8. Fluorine 9. Sodium 11. Sodium is 11. Atomic number. Number of protons is equal to number of electrons. 11. Here 11. Atomic number 11 and electrons are 11. It is 12. It is 13. Look here students. Having same number of electrons but different number of protons. And then ionic radius. It plays very important role here. So the first one is 171. It is in terms of picometer. 171, 140, it is 130. Look here, 130, it is 95, it is 60, it is 50. So the ionic radius goes on decreases. And look here, I will show one difference here. One difference here. These are all called as anion, negative ions, and these are cations. So what is the main difference here? Look here students, the main difference is here, as the number of electrons, here 1 electron is removed, 2 electron removed and 3 electron removed. So larger the number of removal of electron, smaller will be the radius. ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ನೀವು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ತೆಗಿತೀರಿ ಇದು ಅಷ್ಟು ಏನದಲ್ಲ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಕೋತ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. ನೋಡ್ರಿ 13 ಅದ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 13 ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಅದಾವೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 13 ಏನದಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರೋಟಾನ್ ಅದ, 13 ಪ್ರೋಟಾನ್ ಅದ, 10 ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಅದ. ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರೀತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ Al+3 ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್ ಪ್ರೋಟಾನ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 13 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ 2 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ 8. ನೋಡಿರಿ ಪ್ರೋಟಾನ್ಗಳ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಯ್ತು. ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರೋಟಾನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೋರ್, ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರೋಟಾನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೋರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಲೆಸ್. And the effective nuclear charge increases and the electron cloud shrink. So shrink ಆತಿಲ್ಲಿ. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 electron ಕಡಿಮೆ ಅದ. So shrink is more and the radius is less. And here 2 electrons only, difference of 2 electron. So number of protons, nuclear charge has 12 electrons, it has only 10 electrons. So therefore here it shrinks and here the radius is more than this. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, 2 ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, 1 ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನದಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಶ್ರಿಂಕ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಹಾಗೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗ್ಯಾವ. ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಎಡಿಷನ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ಯದ. -3 ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗ್ಯಾವ. ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗ್ಯಾವ ನೋಡಿರಿ, ಪ್ರೋಟಾನ್ಗಳ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಅದ. ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರೋಟಾನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಲೆಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೋರ್. ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಕ್ಲೌಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೋರ್. 3 electrons are added, 2 electrons are added. So here 2 electron and then 1 electron is added. So here it is about this isoelectronic ion. And what about this variation of isoelectronic ions in the ionic radius? So I have shown here with a diagrammatic end zone. Then I will give some important points here. Remember students, here the question is that the radii of these cations and anions are different, and here these due to the different nuclear charges. The radii is not same. The radii is different for all the species. It is due to the differ in the nuclear charge. Nuclear charge nal difference irodrinda bartade. Number 1 point, note. Number 1, remember here. So here the cation, look here students, cation means positive ion. The cation with the greater positive charge. Greater positive charge means Al plus 3. Lesser means Na plus. The cation with the greater positive charge will have, what about its radius? Will have smaller radius or larger radius? Will have smaller radius. Smaller radius because of the more number of protons. Here protons are more, electrons are less. So here it is about this cation. The cation with the greater positive charge will have smaller radius because of the greater number of ಯಾವುದು ಹೆಚ್ಚದವಲ್ಲಿ, because of the greater number of protons or greater attraction of electron to the nucleus. Because of the greater attraction of electrons. ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಏನದಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹತ್ತಿ ಅದಾವು, ಪ್ರೋಟಾನ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಹೆಚ್ಚದ, ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಟು ದ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯಸ್. ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಟು ದ ನ್ಯೂಕ್ಲಿಯಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿಬೋದು ನೀವು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಯೂಮಿನಿಯಂ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮು ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೋದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರೋಟಾನ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 11 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ 2 ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್, ಪ್ರೋಟಾನ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 13, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೋಟಾನ್ 13 ಅದ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 13 ಅದ, ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ 2 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ 8 ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅದ. ಸೊ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ರೋಟಾನ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಕ್ಲೌಡ್ ಏನದಲ್ಲ ಅಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಸ್ವಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೀಸನ್ ಬರಿಬೋದು, the anion with the, so what is the charge here? The anion with the greater negative charge, n minus 3, the greater negative charge will have the larger radius. So this is about students about this isoelectronic ions. So in our next period we will discuss the further more. Thank you.